Right, I'm going to show another use for the IMSG. I was going to say like use number something, but we kind of lost track. There's a lot of uses for this tool. There's another one here. We're going to test some RCA. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the frequency to somewhere in the middle of the audio range. I'm going to say, somewhere around 1,000, somewhere around 1K. So we made this little piece here. It's just a RCA that's been bent and shorted. Just to verify that this is working properly, we can plug this in. It's completely shorted. This is kind of checking the calibration. As you see, when it drops below 1 ohm, it goes into low impedance mode automatically, or it can measure all the way down to 10 milliohms or less. There's 10 million, there's 0. Completely zeroed. So we know this is ready to go. So what I'm going to do is test some of these RCAs here. I'm just going to insert this into here so that I can plug it in. And these are some inexpensive RCAs that we got from Parts Express. Just going to check to see if they're good. So I've got this shorted on one end, and the other end I'm just plugging in to the IMSG. So we can see that it's good, it's conducting. And the impedance of this RCA cable, this is a 1 meter cable, it's about 550 milliohms. So it's not great, but it works. So we know this is a good cable. Let's check another one here. We'll just call this one brand B. I'm going to short out the white one, insert the white side into here. Let's see how this one works. It's definitely working. It's conducting. And this is about 600 milliohms on this one here, brand B. Okay, let's try this one here. We can call this one brand R. Same thing, I'm going to short out the gray side, plug in the gray side, see what we get. It's working, about 630 milliohms, a little bit less. Maybe not quite as good as some of these others. Try the other side of it, the black side, just for fun. Looking good. Oh, 2.1 ohms, 3.3. It's jumping around. That means this is a problem. Look at it. I'm moving this around and it's jumping all over. So this is the problem that we had in one of our cars. We had intermittent whining. We'd hit a bump or something and you'd start hearing alternator whine. This is an intermittent RCA. So this tool just found a bad RCA. So this brand R one's got one good one and one bad one. And we're going to try this one here. This is a little more of a pro level RCA here. This is good stuff. I'm going to short out the white one. Try here. Conducting, working good. And this is what a quality one would look like. This is 50 milliohms, 10 times less resistance than brand B and R and Parts Express piece over there. So just another use for the IMSG.